Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple released iOS 12.1.4 to the public. This came in at about 98.3 megabytes for me on an iPhone 10, and also you can see an 8 Plus here. It was about the same for this particular update. Let's take a look at the build number. You can see the build number is 16D57, and this particular build is all about fixing that Group FaceTime bug, and it took quite a while for Apple to come out with it, and that's because they said they did a full security audit of the OS. So this will fix Group FaceTime, but only if you're on iOS 12.1.4. And it also allows you to take those photos within FaceTime. So let me make a FaceTime call here quick. I'm actually running it on this one as well. Now I'm calling myself, and you can see that if I scroll up, I can add a person. Now this does not work with iOS 12.2 Beta 2. So if you'd like to remove that beta, you can do that, but you have to use iTunes. So let me show you. So what you first have to do is go to Settings on the beta, scroll down to General. Under General, scroll down, and you'll have the beta profile. And if you have this, you'll have to remove it. Then you'll have to actually restore or update back to iOS 12.1.4 if you're on the beta program. Otherwise, you'll have to wait, and you will not have Group FaceTime. Also, in FaceTime, where you can take the photo, they actually fixed that as well, where they had a security vulnerability, and so where you can take a photo while you're in a FaceTime call, a live photo, that's only available in iOS 12.1.4. So unfortunately, if you're in that version, you won't be able to do it. Now, I did run a Geekbench on the 8 Plus just to see how it compared, to see how it is speed-wise, but everything so far is smooth. Landscape is going to work fine, and I don't know how battery is yet. Battery has been okay in iOS 12.2 Beta 2, but it was horrible in iOS 12.1.3. So hopefully we see an improvement, but we won't know that for a few days. So be sure to check back for a follow-up when I let you know how that is. Now, let's take a look at the Geekbench scores. Now, for this Geekbench, you can see the single core was 4,259, multi-core was 10,630. Now, keep in mind this is on an 8 Plus, so it may be a little bit slower than a newer model. You can see compared to the history, I ran 2 on this current version, and this is previously late last year. So there is a difference. It may be faster, it may be slower, but so far it feels nice and fluid and fast. And this was all about fixing that one. So that's really all there is in this particular update, and hopefully that helps you decide whether or not you want to install it. Now, if you're into jailbreaking, you'll just have to give up Group FaceTime altogether because you have to be on iOS 12.1.4. So that's really it with this particular version. I'll link the wallpaper, as I always do, in the description below. And let me know if you like these outdoor settings. I'd love to hear what you have to say about that. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.